In this demo, we are highlighting the new FortiAI Agentic capabilities introduced in FortiSIEM 7.5. We will show you how this FortiAI assistant acts as a force multiplier for your SOC, automating triage planning and execution and streamlining deep dive investigations. You will see how FortiAI accelerates validation and root cause analysis, ultimately delivering structured investigation, higher confidence level, and faster forensics. We'll wrap up with actionable reporting and AI driven hunting queries that turn insights into immediate defense. Next, we will demonstrate how FortiAI accelerates the decision making process for concluding true or false positives. From the list view, we'll filter by rule name for malware and select the specific incident to engage FortiAI. By selecting the agentic analysis mode, the incident triage agent immediately activates to build a customized investigation plan.
Here, FortiAI transforms your prompt into a live execution plan. It creates and runs the queries and adapts its analysis based on the results and summarizes the entire investigation lifecycle automatically.
From here, we can instantly export the findings into a PDF format or push these insights directly into a new case. Once the case is assigned, the FortiAI analysis is preserved in the case notes, providing the assigned analyst with clear, actionable remediation steps. Once we jump over to the cases section, you will see that the complete FortiAI analysis is already embedded within the record. By pinning this analysis to the case notes, we ensure that the responding analyst has immediate access to the full forensic context and recommended actions, right where they need it most. Let's walk through how to triage a specific incident and analyze user-centric risk. I am currently logged into the FortiSIEM. We'll navigate to the Incident tab and enter the Risk view to identify our highest risk assets and users. To accelerate the investigation, I'll pull up the FortiAI Assist and simply ask, "Tell me about user Joe Burns." FortiAI immediately aggregates the user profile and context. By clicking the plus symbol, we can access a library of predefined agentic prompts or inject our own custom logic to speed up the process. Today I'll select user activity to pull a breakdown of every incident Joe Burns is involved in, categorized by severity and ranked from high to low. This gives an instant prioritized look at the user's impact on our security posture. FortiAI now presents a prioritized list of incidents categorized by severity with an associated match count. This granular visibility allows analysts to immediately identify the highest risk activity tied to the user, streamlining the transition from detection to deep dive investigation. Now, let's leverage FortiAI Assist for proactive threat hunting. By opening the prompt library, I will ask a natural language question. Show me all inbound denied traffic from outside the US over the last hour. FortiAI doesn't just return the visualization, it exposes the underlying logic. You can see the exact SQL query generated to produce these results. For advanced hunters, this is a massive time saver. You can simply copy this query, pivot to the Analytics tab, and execute it within the advanced search to further refine your investigation. Thanks for watching.